we first moved in, the shock came when we did a quick internet speed test, and we were barely getting 8-9 megs. But it turns out that we were not alone, and we didn't realize that until we had the information from the exchange where we saw all the other connections.
Fastershire then said what we need to do is get numbers together, and that demonstrates that there's a commercial need for the project.
Fastershire Community Grant was developed to support the small proportion of our rural community in Herefordshire and Gloucestershire that don't have access to superfast broadband.
We got around 80 people signed up on the Fastershire website. That then allowed the planning stage to occur, where we looked at all of the properties that the residents who wanted support. The approved contractors from Fastershire then bid into that plan. We accepted FullFibre, the community signed off on that. We signed a funding agreement with Fastershire, and here we are today.
A bit lost for words, to be perfectly honest, when we were being told that we would have the options of having fibre to the premises speeds of gigabit. That's out of this world, really.
Our ethos has always been to deliver to the whole community. So these residents are going to take a service from it. That's allowed us to build out to the whole town and the whole community so that everyone gets the benefit of ultrafast fibre broadband.
An incredible 4,500 people will be reached as part of that commercial build. So the grant has spearheaded a much bigger solution for Cinderford.
Gloucestershire County Council definitely sees FullFibre broadband as part of the key to economic growth. It is essential that we reach all the properties in Gloucestershire. This is the way forward, this is the future, and we're very proud of how we're doing it.
So we use the existing infrastructure, so there are already ducts running through all of the streets, there are already poles up. So we come in, we land our own cabinet that's connected to the exchange and back to London to bring the fibre in, and then we connect the homes and the businesses to that fibre. So the future capability of this network is huge. It's really down to the home and whatever happens, whether it be virtual reality or 8, 10, 12K TVs, this fibre will support it well into the future.
Cinderford was one of our first projects on the community grant scheme, so it will be one of the first projects that we see come to fruition, and it's great that it is one that really does showcase a very large number of people getting full fibre to their properties, and it's one that we can really celebrate. We've got many more communities already in the process, and we hope to have many more stories to tell.
At the moment we're delivering 10 gig packages across the network, but we can go to terabit, so it's just the equipment at each end that really limits us at the moment, and that light, we know down those fibre cables that almost the sky is the limit to what we can deliver well into the future.